Hey, little boy.
What was that one? Did you get that, sweet?
I did.
Hey, hey, kitty pie. Camera, you get used to it.
Turn his head all over the place.
He can twist his neck round and round and round. We know that.
What's wrong?
Are you smacking your lips?
No.
Good. Mm.
It's just reliving what he had to eat.
Yeah, Mom, imagine what if I was saying every time I offered him feeding, "Oh, I sure hope this is good. I've never made this before. I'm not sure if this is going to turn out right. I hope this is good."